November 2nd. Halloween was 2 days ago. Not even 2 days ago. It's the morning of November 2nd. And look what we just woke up to. I have absolutely no clue how. Last year, there was a snowstorm on November 11th, which was like the earliest that it's like ever been. But this year, no one was expecting it. November 1st, overnight to November 2nd. Crazy. I don't understand how it's literally gonna be 4 degrees Celsius this afternoon and there was like all that snow. So it's clearly all gonna go away, but how does it snow when it's that hot, like coming soon? And I hope after this snow goes away, probably by this afternoon, that we'll have at least like another couple weeks before we get real snow. But yeah, where'd summer go? It was literally summer like a month ago, and actually like 2 weeks ago I was wearing a t-shirt and shorts. Right now it is 7:42 a.m. and I start school at 8:30ish. I'm gonna run inside, eat a quick breakfast, get ready, and then we'll see what happens. Oh, that probably wasn't the best idea. I'm wearing slides and they are now soaked. So right now it's like 1:30 maybe a little bit later. I don't even know anymore. I'm home at lunch and it is absolutely freezing. I thought the snow would be completely gone by now, but I was wrong. It is not, so that is not very good. So I'm driving home from school today and I turn on the radio. It's Christmas music playing on like 3/4 of the stations that you could possibly go to. So I don't know if they like 11:59 one night, it's Halloween, next day, bam, it's Christmas time already.